Welcome to TechLeap channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows startup apps or software in your Windows laptop or PC. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to disable startup apps. At first, put the cursor on the taskbar and then right click on mouse. From here click on task manager option, and from here click on startup. From here you can check your app status. Now from here, if you want to disable any startup apps, you have to just select it. From here you can also check your impact: none, non-measured, high. Now after select the apps, just right click on mouse and then click on disable, and that's it. You can see it's disabled successfully. Now for the second method, just close the window and then go to start option, then open up settings. After that click on apps, and at the bottom you can see startup option, then just click here, and that's it. You can also enable or disable startup apps from here. If you want to disable these apps, you have to just click here, and that's it. Now it's disabled successfully. And that is how you can disable startup apps or software in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.